Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Tejendra Amrut Rajput, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Onde Vikramgarh, Palghar. So today I will discuss on neighboring group participation, which is a part of unit number 1. So the neighboring group participation is also known as enantiomeric effect. So when the reaction in which a group migrates to the adjacent position is called a 1-2 shift. If group which migrates remains permanently in a new position, then the reaction is called as rearrangement type of reaction. However, in some cases the adjacent group permanently not affected but temporarily assisted the reactions by providing the electrons to the reaction center and then reverts back to its original position of that group. This phenomenon is known as neighboring group participation or enantiomeric effect. Before we discuss details regarding to neighboring group participation, we have some recap for SN1 and SN2 type of reactions. So SN1 reaction means nucleophilic substitution unimolecular and SN2 means nucleophilic substitution to bimolecular reaction. In SN2 reaction, departure of leaving group is assisted by nucleophile. We already seen in SN2 reaction. While in SN1 reaction, this case is not happen. Again, both the reactions are differ by their orders. Means SN1 reactions are first order reactions and SN2 reactions are second order reactions. Regarding to the stereochemistry, for SN2 reactions, we know that they are proceed by inversion of configuration. While regarding to the SN1, it shows only partial racemization. Some substitution reactions are first order involving two successive SN2 reactions. So that type of the reactions are said to be neighboring group participation or NGP or enantiomeric type of reaction. Means what? The neighboring group participation is an intramolecular effect temporarily exerted by an adjacent group which directly participated by moving within the bonding distance of the reaction center. As a migrating group back to its original position, there will be no rearrangement happen in NGP type of reaction. While regarding to the rate of reaction, the NGP reactions are enhanced rate, and regarding to the stereochemistry of NGP reactions, they shows 100% retention of the configuration. So NGP is only directed by adjacent group. We already seen. Neighboring group participation can occur from any group, but that possesses an unshared pair of electron or the double bond. This is a basic characteristics because without unshared pair of electron and double bond, the shifting of the bond or the shifting of the electrons cannot possible. The electron density will accelerate the rate of departure of the leaving group, because we know that if any kind of the substitution reaction, if leaving group easily departed, then the rate of the reactions is going to be accelerated. So the electron density of the rate of departure of the leaving group is going to be increases. Now we will see in details of mechanisms of NGP, that is neighboring group participation reactions. The neighboring group effect can be observed in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Such reactions involve two nucleophile attack. Means what? There are two types of the nucleophiles involves during the mechanism of NGP type of the reactions. Generally there are four important steps, but out of this the two steps which involves the attacking of internal nucleophile and again the attack of external nucleophile happens. So if you see that this hydroxyl ion withdraw the hydrogen and oxygen carries a negative charge. Also oxygen have lone pair of electron. In this step the oxygen ion gives electron to neighboring carbon atom, and bromine is a leaving group. This bromine is act as a leaving group, or this bromine is again act as a leaving group. So this step is very important because in this step the oxygen is act as a internal nucleophile. That is, the neighboring group attacks the adjacent carbon atom which its electron pair acting as an internal nucleophile. This results in the simultaneous loss of the leaving group, that is a bromine in this case. Hence it is intramolecular nucleophilic substitution type of reactions, and it's obey SN2 mechanism. It is actually a three-center reaction resulting in a bridge ion as an intermediate. So this is a bridge ion and this act as a intermediate. This is a bridge ion. Bridge ion means after giving of electron pair to neighboring carbon atom, it form a bond to neighboring carbon atom with oxygen and form a cyclic ring, and this is nothing but the bridge ion, and this is intermediate of the NGP. Now in a second step, that is this step, that is this hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus ion, donates electron pair, means attack. This is the external nucleophile. So in the second step the external nucleophile attacks the bridge ion which pushes the migrating group back to its original position. That is, this OH minus is back to its original position. This is a intermolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. That is, it also obey a SN2 type of the reaction. Thus the nucleophilic substitution has taken help of the neighboring group participation and there is no rearrangement involved. So if you see that the whole reactions have no rearrangement type of the reaction is happen, and this is the details of mechanism of neighboring group participation type of the reaction. There are some characteristics of neighboring group participation regarding to the mechanism. The migrating group act as an internal nucleophile. The neighboring group effect as a marked influence of kinetics of reaction. That is, the neighboring group also helps to push out the leaving group, and this is also called as enantiomeric assistant. So enantiomeric assistant is again similar to the NGP type of. So as a result of this, the rate of reaction is going to be accelerated, or the rate of reaction going to be very higher than normal type of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and hence this is known as synergetic acceleration type of the reaction or the effect. As it is a three-center reaction, because we know that if you see this is a bridge ion, so this bridge ion is the intermediate of this reaction, and hence this is nothing but the bridge ion, and it has an octet. So therefore it is more stable than the normal type of the intermediate in nucleophilic substitution type of the reaction. So This is about the mechanism of NGP type of the reactions. Again, regarding to the stereochemistry of NGP reactions, so normally if you see that the nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN1 or SN2 type of reactions, they have inversion of the configuration or the racemization, but due to the neighboring part of participation will be the 100% of retention of configuration. So this is very important to know that in mechanism of NGP or the mechanism of NGP reactions, they only give the 100% retention of the configuration. So this is all about the nucleophilic substitution, neighboring group participation type of the reactions. So thank you.